if you're experiencing server timeout issues in The Sims 4, there are several steps you can take to improve your connection. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can do this by running a speed test and checking for any interruptions or slow speeds. Step 2. Restart your router. Sometimes, simply restarting your router can resolve connectivity issues. Unplug your router, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in to refresh the connection. Step 3. Update The Sims 4. Make sure that your game is up to date. Launch the game client and check for any available updates. Installing the latest patches can fix bugs and improve server stability. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Switching to a different DNS server can improve connection speed. Go to your network settings, find the DNS settings, and change them to a public DNS like Google 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8, 4.4, or Cloudflare 1.1, 1.1. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, or other online games that could interfere with your connection. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your server connectivity while playing The Sims 4. Enjoy your gaming experience.